Guys, on the other side of this wall, we have a mini split that we recently installed. And as you see, it looks like this pump is not pumping. So I'm gonna try to climb up there and see what's going on. Stay tuned. All right, it says it's got power. It should be running. All right, I'm getting power. Simply put, that should be running. Well, that's an easy fix. Okay, y'all will notice that this is the same name brand that failed, but that other one that failed, it's an Assurity pump, was sent to me to try out, so I couldn't take it back and get warranty replacement. This one I can, and I wanted low profile, and this was the only low profile they had. But you know something, here comes a shameless plug. If you want condensate pumps and you want to stock up on them, go to We Supply Trades. They got all kinds. They got water pumps, they got condensate pumps, they got mini split pumps, which we could have used on something like this. I mean, I'm just saying, great place to pick up stuff like that. Let's install this. Oh, that thing is full of water. Plug this thing in. Y'all forgive me, I can't see what I'm doing. I don't have my little light. All right. There we go. All right, I want to show y'all what I found. This if you know what that is, you know why that pump failed. Comment below.